if x and y are real numbers such that 4x square plus 4y square minus 4xy minus 6y plus 3 equals to 0, then find the value of 4x plus 5y. See, x and y are real number. In this equation, there are two variables, right? And you may think there are two variables, how to get the value of 4x plus 5y. See, many times, let's say, sometimes you get, let's say, two variables, let's say a minus 2 the whole square and b minus 3 the whole square and equal to 0, right? There are two variables, see, but there are sum of squares. If you get sum of squares equal to 0, even there are two variables, sum of squares are 0 and the real number. So, real number square cannot be negative, it is either 0 or positive. If sum of this square plus this square 0, so both have to be 0. So, a minus 2 has to be 0, b minus 3 has to be 0, and we can solve for a and b, right. So, when you see two variable, one equation, you can think of, can we make sum of two squares equal to 0? I think looking at this expression, I think we can, if you try, let's try, can you make sum of two squares? So, it's given 4x square plus 4y square minus 4xy minus 6y and plus 3 equals to 0. Now, I can say 4x square, I can write 2x the whole square, right, okay, and then I will take minus 4xy together, right, then it will be taking, I will take minus 2, I am trying to make this as 1, 2ab, so 2, I am taking this as a, so 2a and y I will take b, right. So, I have taken 4x square to 4x square, I mean that is 2x square minus 2ab minus 4xy, I need plus y square. So, I will take y square, I will borrow from here, so plus y square, it will become a whole square, that is 2x minus y the whole square. Now, here there are 4y square, so I am left with 3y square, I am left with 3y square minus 6y, right, minus 6y and plus 3 equal to 0. Now, this three terms I can write it as 2x minus y the whole square, right, it's clear. And now, here I will take 3 common, if I take 3 common, this will be y square minus 2y plus 1 equals to 0. Now this will become 2x minus y the whole square plus, this will be 3 times, this one is y minus 1 the whole square, right, this is y minus 1 the whole square. Now, you see there is a perfect square, I mean square plus 3 times another square equal to 0, right. Now, and x and y are real numbers, so 2x minus y and y minus 1, these are also two real numbers. A real number square cannot be 0, I mean sorry, a real number square can be 0, it cannot be negative. Now, so this square, this is either 0 or positive, this is 3 is already positive, 3 into something, this is also either 0 or positive, okay. See, both these squares, both are 0, that is the only possibility, right. If one is 0 and one is positive, then also it won't be 0, right, okay. If both are positive, it won't be 0. So, both are 0, right. So, here you see both are 0, right. So, both number, that is 2x minus y and y minus 1, both will be 0, right. So, here 2x minus y equals to 0 and y minus 1 is 0, right, or 2x equals to y and y equals to 1. So, here we can put x, y equals to 1, we can get the value of, we can get the value of x also. Now, what we are supposed to find? we are supposed to find 4x plus 5y, right? 4x plus 5y. We are supposed to find 4x plus 5y. Now 2x is y, so 4x is equal to double it 2y, right? So 4x is 2y. So 2y plus 5y. So our answer is 7y, right? And what is the value of y? Y is 1. So answer is 7 into 1. So answer is 7. So 7 is the answer for this question, number 10. So it's a theta question. So you have to mark answer 7. I hope this is clear.